The School of Liberal Arts and Sciences is one of the premier school and larger school in Mody University of Science and Technology. This school is running 27 programs at UG, PG and PhD levels. At UG levels, we are offering 17 programs in the field of liberal arts and sciences. In the field of liberal arts and sciences, we cover humanities and social sciences, English literature, political science, psychology, journalism and mass communication, and French. In the field of science and applied sciences, we are covering physics, chemistry, mathematics, physical science, data science, life sciences, biotechnology, food and nutrition, forensic science, physiotherapy and psychology. In PG programs, we are offering English, psychology, microbiology, biotechnology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, forensic science. And in PhD program, we cover liberal arts and sciences and its application in interdisciplinary domain with the view of cutting edge research at the present scenario. We are incorporating NEP 2020 in our curriculum structure, and that is the based on curriculum and credit framework for undergraduate programs NEP 2020 as per the UGC guidelines. Throughout our syllabuses and curriculum structures, we cover all the syllabuses of competitive exams just like JAM, NET, GATE, DRDO, UPSC, SSC, TOEFL, IELTS, etc. So that is the benchmark of our curriculum structure and syllabi at School of Liberal Arts and Sciences. Recently we get 2.5 crores from Curie project, that is the DST Government of India, for motivating R&D activities in School of Liberal Arts and Sciences. Our Honorable Chairman Sir provided seed money projects of worth on an average 35 lakhs to 50 lakhs to our faculty members, and faculty members are using this seed money project in the form of the research and development activities through our UG final year students, PG students and PhD students. We have total 19 equipped and well advanced labs just like psychology, languages, computer science, microbiology, biotechnology and forensic science, physics, chemistry, math. Our students at UG final year, PG and PhD levels are getting benefit from the different government schemes of DST Government of India, and they will participate in different scholarship through the internship or through the dissertation.